Ever wondered why your knuckles make that loud crack sound when you pop them? It's not your bones grinding, it's actually tiny bubbles. Inside your joints, there's a fluid called synovial fluid. When you stretch or pull your fingers, pressure drops and gas bubbles form and collapse, creating that cracking sound. And don't worry, scientists say cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. It's mostly harmless, though maybe annoying for people around you. Cool, right? For more everyday science explained in seconds, subscribe to Factdose.